I know our relationship has been rough. I know I didn't treat you well for your 2 days in my truck, but what was I supposed to do? People wanted to see a show, okay? People came here to see a show, and I needed you to perform. And perform you did until you exploded. It was good until it went bad. Right now, I'll probably get a bath in transmission fluid, which I'd rather not have, but it'll save me the stress of possibly having the torque converter slide out and bump into me on its way down to Earth. Now, I love Earth and I like being stuck to it, but sometimes it can be a little bit pesky when you're trying to move heavier things around in the air, because they always end up back on Earth. Alright, that's enough physics for today. What goes up must come down, and smile or a frown is the question. That alleviates a little bit of the weight going on up there. I'm now gonna need a new pair of pants, and let's see if I can spin this turkey around. Alright, here we go. You're coming out, transmission, one way or the other. We can do this the fun and easy way. I'm totally covered in oil. We could do this the nice way, or we could do it the hard way. It's up to you. Maybe upside down wasn't the best maneuver. Alright, let's just keep spinning you around. We're gonna try and level you out here. Alright, transmission. Now this is really a tricky spot, and maybe the next thing I should do in this process is hold on, because my tail shaft is sliding out. My face is gonna get injured in this process. There we go, it's sitting on my leg and it hurts, and there goes my neck and my balls. Ow! There we go. Thank you, knee. Wow, that was fun. I recommend it highly. Let's find out why it died. There we go. There goes the pump and the gasket. What are you cleaning my truck with? A board?
Yes, new board.
Oh, cool.
Cleaning your gas pump.
Oh, thanks.
That's where hot stuff comes out.
Okay, that makes sense. If you look at my arm here, you can see the imprint of the transfer case where it fell on top of my arm. My camera wasn't working and I had a broken lens, so I glued a new lens on it and then I put it on the trailer aside. It keeps turning off on me, but I'm making a documentary here, so I might as well work with what I've got. I'm still shaking pretty good. I don't know. I don't know why my arm's still straight. I don't usually get too concerned about much, but I was stuck under there for 5 minutes screaming that my wrist was broke to myself and the birds. I don't think it's broken. If it is, I'm not going anywhere for it, so it'll be fine. I just hope I can lift this transfer case up now with one arm. That circle there is the vent hole, I believe, for the vent on the transfer case. Landed on my wrist. And everything was going smooth until I went to roll the transfer case cart forward. And it's got flat tires and I'm in the rocks. So I kicked it with my leg and it rolled too fast and tipped over. The transfer case landed. My arm was here on the, right here. It tipped over and landed on my arm. I almost, yeah, that's the vent there that went into my wrist. That's where it landed on me. I don't think I broke it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use it for a while. I can bend my hand up and down. I just shake when I do it. Anyhow, this is nothing. I'm gonna have this together soon. Alright, it's just a wrist. If you hang out here, I'm gonna get this transfer case in place. I'm gonna stand the cart up again once I get the case on it. Then I can stand it up in the air and slide it on the back of the transmission, and I can do this. There. Dummy arm. Just let me see the best way to do this. I'm a little bit of a sissy. I'm too scared to put much. Oh, whoa! I don't like those pains when it comes shooting up my elbow. Trying not to put too much weight on my arm or this wrist. All right. If I hold the case up and slide the cart back, that might be if I hold it up with my right hand, can I pull it back with my left hand, get my legs involved? Okay, a little further. All right. Oh, that hurt. Okay, now the flange is on that plate. I'm gonna itch the back of my neck with my right hand. Then I'm gonna get under here like this. I'm gonna be very careful not to use my left hand as low as possible. I'm really kind of worried about, I'm a little bit worried about it. I don't know. Maybe I should go make a splint. It was indented and now it's starting to swell up. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, that there. Oh. All right. What's going on down here? Oh boy. Okay. I just want to push with my left hand, but every time I move it, it sends a sharp pain down my elbow, and I don't like it very much. All right, I'm gonna hold this with my ankles then, instead of pushing down on it. Oh, that hurt. Ow. Okay. Now what am I hooking? There we go. Okay. Oh. Ah! The fuck? Oh, I can't do that. Just hang there. Okay. Oh! Alright. Alright. My transfer case is strapped to the cart. I'm gonna let my ankles out. The next step, I don't know if I can do. This is how I screwed my wrist up in the first place. Now all I've got to do is lift it. I was trying to push it before with it up in the air, and it tipped backwards, rolled backwards on me. I'm not shaking as bad, I don't think. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It works. I mean, the whole thing works. It's just not happy with me. I was yelling that I broke it, or at least that I thought I broke it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not, I don't care. I don't care. I've seen plenty of deer that healed without a hospital. You don't know if I can do this. No, I've got to lift this. I'm just gonna do it. Oh boy.